Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 45 seed Oberlin High is up against the number 52 seed Westwood High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz 2018. Oberlin High is represented by team captain Antoine Clark, Moses Nelson, Shanique Bennett, and Jomar Palmer. Westwood High is represented by team captain Jamela Blackwood, Janelle McCoy, Rena Brown, and Samoya Miller. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the sixth match in round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly, and your judges are Dr. James Smith for the sciences and Mrs. Theresa Easy for the arts. Now it all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss and Oberlin High won, and they've asked for Westwood to go first. Westwood, we begin with biology. The brain cerebrum is divided into how many lobes?
Right, that is
5.
Incorrect. 4. Oberlin, biology. What are the names of 2 of the 4 lobes in the brain cerebrum?
Occipital and frontal lobe. Occipital lobe and frontal lobe.
Correct. Local affairs, Westwood. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Noel Scott.
Correct. Local affairs for Oberlin. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Dayton Campbell.
Incorrect. Linvale Bloomfield. Principles of business for Westwood. Some organizations have an R&D department. What does R&D mean?
All right, that is Revenue Net Department.
Incorrect. Research and development. Principles of business for Oberlin. Most organizations have an HRM department. What does HRM mean?
Human Resource Management. Human Resource Management.
Correct.
Good.
Westwood, an audio question for you. Listen to this clip. Identify the artist.
Give up or try again. If I hesitate to let you in, know what you be yourself.
That is Carrington.
Incorrect. Aliyah. And music for Oberlin. Listen to this clip. Identify the artist.
Picture of us holding hands, making plans, and it's lucky for me.
Ashanti.
Incorrect. Christina Aguilera. English language for Westwood. Spell trauma.
Trauma.
Correct. English language for Oberlin. Spell ferocious.
That is F-O-R-O-C-I-O-U-S.
Incorrect. Ferocious. Theatre and cinema for Westwood. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Jody Dench.
Incorrect. Jane Fonda. Theatre and cinema, Oberlin. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Malak Campbell.
Incorrect. Shirley MacLaine. General knowledge for Westwood. Stewed saltfish with spicy plantains, coconut dumplings, and seasoned breadfruit is the national dish of which Caribbean country?
St. Kitts and Nevis.
Correct. General knowledge, Oberlin. A curry traditionally made from lamb cooked in coconut milk, ginger, and columba powder is the most favored dish of which Caribbean country?
Barbados. Barbados.
Incorrect. Martinique. Sports for Westwood. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Jimmy Reynolds.
Incorrect. Patrick Ewing. Sports, Oberlin. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Kevin Brand.
Incorrect. Carl Malone. Geography for Westwood. What name is given to calcite deposits suspended from cave roofs?
Stalactites.
Correct. Geography, Oberlin. What is the name for the flat piece of rock formed when magma hardens in a crack in a volcano?
In a crack. What do you call it? Dike. Dikes.
Incorrect. Sill. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are Oberlin High on 2 points, Westwood High on 4 points. It's now time for the Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Information Technology. The question is, which keys on a standard keyboard are used as a shortcut to select all text? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns right after these messages.
People, kings and queens, the Lasco Fujing Royalty for Loyalty promotion is on, and you could be a winner of a grand prize of $1 million in cash or fortnightly prizes